It's that time of year where we make a budget and blow right past it. The Unity Asset Store Black Friday sale is back. Over 400 assets will be on sale and special daily mega deal assets at 70% off to save you hundreds. Poly Art Forest Set. November 25th, save $100. Pre-animated polygonal animals, adorable and functional. This pack is a valuable addition to your Polygon project. Ultimate first-person shooter weapons pack. November 26th, save $209. Paying extreme attention to detail, this could be the highest quality weapon pack to exist on the Asset Store. Urban Traffic System. November 27th, save $349. A system like this could take years for a single developer to build. Take advantage of this opportunity for your Grand Theft Auto-like project. Puzzle Match Kit. November 28th, save $140. Basically a complete game in a box. This should be the starting point for any developers considering a match-type puzzle game. Desktop Trees Package. November 29th, save $111. Generate unique trees at the click of a button. Give your world the variety and complexity it deserves. World Maps Pro Bundle 2. November 30th, save $126. Warfare, turn-based, or even an RTS, the perfect starting point for any game planning to use real-world geography. City Building Kit. December 1st, save $273. Maybe you're building an RTS, or possibly tower defense. Either way, this incredible all-in-one kit is the perfect starting point. Not to mention 400 other assets on sale this week at half off. We've included a link in our description. Pass this video along to any developers you know who might find this useful. Remember to visit devtoy.com for valuable developer resources and information. Happy developing, and thanks for watching.